What's going on, guys? I'm gonna show you a video today on how to remove decals on your vehicle. This one is very easy, super simple. I don't know why other people put all these extra steps into it. Maybe other stickers are more difficult than others, I don't know, but yeah, mine is very simple. Anyone can do this. So first thing you're gonna want to do is grab some water and soap. I just have a little window cleaner. I don't care what I use, honestly, it doesn't matter, as long as you clean the surface of the area that the stickers are on. So I have an old shirt that I don't use, an old True Religion shirt. Clean it up, wipe it down. Okay. What I'm using is a plastic card. Okay, and you just do it at an angle. Here it goes. This is the easiest spot for the A. She's ripping. Let's see. I'm just kidding. It's a motorcycle. And see, it comes off. It might take a little bit longer doing it this way, but I think this is better than having to use a heat gun or a hair dryer. So I was able to get it all off. You guys can see, probably only took me about like, probably said 9 minutes. That's all it took me, 10 minutes. And now that it's off, I'm just gonna spray this window cleaner on and then wipe it off. And I only used I started with my debit card, and then I switched over to a different card because it looked like my debit card was getting ready to chip away or something. I don't know. But yeah, this doesn't look like it's taking off all the adhesive, but you just kind of put pressure on there and it's going away. So yeah, now it's going away. And I can put on my new Instagram decal. I've had these for about a month, a little bit over a month, because I've never taken the old ones off. But I'm finally gonna put the new ones on. So this is my new sticker with the actual Instagram image. I'm just gonna peel this end off. There we go, hold on. Okay, slowly peel it off. Okay, here we go. I already know where I'm gonna place it, so just kind of let's see before I do it. Okay. Alright, I'm just gonna drop it on and then pull it off. This is kind of where I want it. You're supposed to start from the middle. Just gonna put it right here. And then get a microfiber towel. And I'll just use a shirt actually. Put pressure from starting from the middle so you can get the air bubbles out. And work your way to the edges. And put pressure. Yeah, this new sticker looks nice. The other one was okay, but this one was actually a lot better. You slowly peel it off from the corners. Doesn't look bad.
That's nice.
Oh my goodness, I messed up on the S. Is it gonna stay? Yeah, for now. Yep, you gotta kind of pull it at an angle. There we go, there's a new sticker.